In Zulu, there is a proverb that says, "Umuthi ngeke uphile, zingekho izinyamazane," which means traditional medicine cannot exist without animals. This points to the significance of using animals in traditional medicine. Traditional medicines make use of natural products such as plants, minerals, animal extracts, and microorganisms to create medicines to treat a range of conditions, ailments, and life-threatening diseases. The use of animals and animal parts to make medicine is very common in traditional medicines. The types of medicines that can be made with animals and animal extracts are known as Izinyamazane. Izinyamazane can be made strictly from animals or by combining animals and plant extracts. Medicines made using animal extracts from rare, strong, and or poisonous animals are considered potent. Poisonous snakes cause morbidity and mortality, and in South Africa there are about 35 poisonous snakes, 13 of which are very dangerous to humans. Isibiba and isihlungu are traditionally used as antidotes for poisonous snake bites. However, there have been instances where isibiba and isihlungu have been used as an inductive to inflict pain. To learn more about Izinyamazane, Isibiba, and isihlungu, you can access the imityesintu.co.za blog.